The grave diggers arrived. Got both trucks, and the reason I got both is because I couldn't decide which one to get, so I ended up getting two. I'm not going to keep both of them. The plan is to keep the best one basically. I might need your help deciding which one is best. So I'm going to go over the differences. Obviously the chassis are the same. So if you've watched the video on the Son Ova Digger, then you know what the chassis looks like. Watch the previous video for that. I've already done the unboxing of that. This is the unboxing and look at the Grave Digger. I'm just going to be comparing the bodies really, because that's the only difference, and also the colours and the stickers and all that. They only just fit on the bench, as you can see, so yeah. Right, let's get into it anyway. So the Grave Digger has lights on either side. The first thing you might notice is that's not in the middle, so that's not very good really. It's kind of annoying. It is off to the left quite clearly. These bits here on the Grave Digger are stickers, which will probably come off once they get scuffed up. And again, Horizon Classic, they're not applied very well. They've got a crease. This one's not too bad. That one's got a crease just there and there, which is kind of annoying. On the Son Ova Digger, you don't really have any stickers on the front. These flames are all painted in. These flames here on the Grave Digger, the green, and the stripe is all painted on. That's not a sticker. And then obviously the Grave Digger has got the red lights like a proper Grave Digger, whereas the Son Ova Digger has got the blue lights. They're much narrower on the Son Ova Digger, and if you compress the suspension you can see there's no real way that the body is going to be rubbing on the wheels and tyres even under full lock, which I can't really do with them next to each other. But on the Grave Digger you can see the body is much closer to the wheels and tyres, especially on this side. So I think on full lock, or if it's articulated one way, you know, like one side comes down or the body bends down, because this body's quite bendy, you might get some rub on the inside of the wheel arch there. And the Grave Digger's body is very kind of flimsy on the front. It seems to be a more bend and hope it doesn't break approach, whereas the Son Ova Digger is a little bit bendy but it feels a lot more rigid, so I bet this will be more likely to crack, but then it's not sticking out as far, so it might hold up better, who knows. Moving further back, the windscreen stickers are both about the same, I would say. Yeah, the Grave Digger's obviously got the pointy windshield, whereas the Son Ova Digger's pretty much flat. They've both got a guy inside them, the same guy. Obviously the cage on the Digger's green and the Son Ova Digger's blue. Now getting onto the top here, this is where the Son Ova Digger really falls down. You can see these flames are on the sticker. This skull looks really cool here, but you can see the black levels on the sticker are terrible. It's sort of a browny colour, which is a real shame. And also the flames on the front look amazing, but these look a bit purpley, and you can see there they're a completely different colour. Whereas on the Grave Digger here, these flames are painted on again, so these aren't a sticker. And the sticker that is over here is actually clear background with just the Grave Digger bit and this bit and Bad to the Bone on. So obviously there isn't that problem with it being brown like you have on the Son Ova Digger. If you wanted to, you could heat this up and cut it all out, but you've still got the issue of the flames being a different colour here and on the bonnet there. Moving on to the side of the truck, you can see the Grave Digger has got pretty cool stickers here. So it's got all the names of the other trucks on gravestones on the side, obviously like the real thing. And you can see the sticker on the side is a little bit brown coloured compared to the black, but it's actually not too noticeable, especially up in this corner. It's pretty good really, is the black level on that sticker. That's clearly improved, whereas on the Son Ova Digger it's clearly noticeable brown, black, brown, so it's not quite as good. However, the actual artwork itself is really well picked out. You can see all the dead trucks at the bottom and up the side. You can see this is the original paint scheme for the Grave Digger before it was the Grave Digger, and then that is, I think, the original Grave Digger body, the Gen 1, and then that is the latest Grave Digger painted on the Son Ova Digger, which is funny because that's truckception right there. It's a truck on a truck. So yeah, you can see that one says Grave Digger on it as well actually, so that's interesting. That one's a pickup bed rather than a light van style. Anyway, on the side the Grave Digger is definitely better looking, I think, and it's just because of the black levels on this one really don't do it any justice. Moving on to the wheels, you can see the wheels on this are a nice dark blue. The plastic is a little bit lighter, and the flames match, I'd say, pretty well with the wheels. I'd say all these blues go nicely together, whereas on the Grave Digger the flames on the front are sort of a quite bright sort of grassy green, and then the wheels are more like a light, almost like lime green. Let's see if I can get this in a bit better light here. Oh, and you can see that bit's actually chipped off there. That's interesting, I didn't notice that before. I haven't obviously run these yet at all, I've literally just taken it out of the box today. And then this green here is kind of a washed out green, so I think the greens look a bit worse on the Grave Digger than the blues do on the Son Ova Digger. Let's just get that in a bit better light for you there, yeah, there you go. So yeah, it's kind of swings and roundabouts with the bodies, to be honest. So comment below which one I should keep. The plan is for both of them. I'm going to take both the motors out, do a motor test Tuesday, and see, obviously they're both the same motor, but are they both the same kV? I bet someone at Horizon Factory is putting the faster motors in the Grave Digger, or maybe the other guy on the other shift is putting the faster motors in the Son Ova Digger, who knows. So they're both going to get tested. I'm going to go through both trucks and check for any loose parts that have been loose from the factory or that have been thread locked, stuff like that. So you'll see both of those. I might do it in the same video, so if you get an LMT you'll know what to check on yours. And then obviously the one which I'm going to keep, and the other one I'm going to just sell it on, basically for the same price as new, and it'll be all sorted. I've obviously taken the plastic off the bodies for this comparison and overview, but I'm sure with it being all sorted and actually ready to run rather than ready to rebuild, that someone will enjoy that. There will be some more videos of one of the trucks coming soon. Whichever one I decide to keep, I will take it out and give it a bash once the weather's a bit better. So yeah, keep looking forward to new videos, I guess. Goodbye.